Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel to PDF. First, open your Excel workbook and ensure your data is perfectly arranged. We will cover two primary methods for conversion, starting with the print to PDF function. This approach offers excellent control over page breaks and scaling, ensuring your document looks exactly as intended. It's a straightforward process that maintains your original formatting with high fidelity. To use the Print to PDF method, go to the File tab and click Print. From the Printer drop-down, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Here, you can customize your print area, set page orientation, and adjust scaling to fit your content on one page or across multiple. Once satisfied, click the Print button and you will be prompted to save your new PDF file. This method is ideal for precise layout control. Another excellent way to convert is by using the Export feature. Go to File, then Export, and select Create PDF/XPS document. Click Create PDF/XPS again. Before saving, click Options to define what you want to include, such as the entire workbook, specific sheets, or a selected range. This method is quick and efficient, especially when you need to convert multiple sheets into a single PDF document. Remember to always open and review your newly created PDF to ensure all formatting and data appear correctly. Sometimes minor adjustments are needed in Excel before conversion for optimal results. For more complex PDF editing or merging multiple files, dedicated PDF software can be very helpful. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.